How to open Lloyds bank account online. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to lloydsbank.com, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply choose the type of bank account that you want to open. So as you can see, you have personal, business, private banking, and international banking. So if you go to personal and then you click on menu, as you can see here, you're gonna have different options. So you can simply go to current accounts, and then you can simply go with the classic account, silver account, platinum account. So simply click on any of these, then you're gonna have to simply scroll down, and you're gonna see different benefits for this type of account. As you can see, you have club, silver, and platinum, and as you can see, you can see the fees and everything. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply choose any of these and click on it, and then simply click on apply. Now what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on continue on the website, or if you want, you can simply scan the code and download the app, but I'm gonna go with the website version, and then simply click on continue here. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter some personal information about you, and then you're gonna have to simply verify your account. So basically that's all you have to do. So as you can see, you're gonna have to answer a few questions first. So are you an existing Lloyds Bank customer? So you're gonna have to click yes or no, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.